So she just applied the numbing cream all over my face, which was, I guess, lidocaine and xethocaine. So it'll numb me down, I guess, for about 15-20 minutes while they put in about 50 injections. And I think we're talked about which ones I'm going to be doing in another video. But basically, why I'm doing this is I'm here doing the stem cells and shoulders, and I thought, why not do some skin rejuvenation from all those years of damage I did being in the sun in the 80s, tanning at 12 o'clock noon with baby oil. And so it was cool back in the 80s, not cool now. And yeah, just to undo it. And I also have some hyperpigmentation because I naturally freckle. And then obviously if you get older, women tend to get melasma from hormonal changes. And by the way, guys, any of you who's doing TRT or anything, that will cause some hyperpigmentation and melasma because of hormonal imbalances. So, so I'm just doing that here, and obviously to skin be more one color. I also tend to get a lot natural dark circles around my eyes, just genetics. So that should improve that as well. And just to feel more rested, you know, as I get older, and despite I'm not fat, but the older I get, the leaner the face looks. You tend to lose collagen and fat, and this will help restore some of that and give some fullness, which I desperately need. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on the during it and then after it.